In this video, we are going to discuss CUSAT Common Admission Test 2018 MCA Lateral Entry Exam Question Paper. First question. In Unix, which system call returns creates a new process? Option A is correct, fork. Next question. Full form of IMAP is option B is correct, Internet Message Access Protocol. Next question. You are given pointers to first and last nodes in a singly linked list. Which of the following operations are dependent on the length of linked list? Option C is correct. Delete last element of the list. Next question. A priority queue is implemented as a max heap. Initially, it has 5 elements. The level order traversal of the heap is given below. 10, 8, 5, 3, 2. Two new elements 1 and 7 is inserted in the heap in that order. The level order traversal of the heap after the insertion of the element is option D is correct. 10, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1, 5. If Q is implemented using array, what would be the worst runtime complexity of Q and DQ operations? Option D is correct, of 1 and of 1. Next question, which binary heap, whenever the root is removed, then the rightmost element of the last level is replaced by the root? Why? Option B is correct, to make sure that it is still complete binary tree. Next question, C variable cannot start with, option C is correct, both of the above, that is, a number and a special symbol other than underscore. Next question, dash sorting is good to use when alphabetizing large list of names. Option C is correct, radix. Radix sort is one of the sorting algorithm used to sort a list of integer number in order. In radix sort algorithm, a list of integer number will be sorted based on the digit of integer numbers. For example, if largest number is 3, is a 3-digit number, then that list is sorted in 3 passes. Next question, it is not the layer of operating system. Option D is correct. Critical section is not a layer in operating system. Next question, mutual exclusion. Option A is correct. If one process is in critical region, others are excluded. Mutual exclusion is a property of process synchronization. It states that no two processes can exist in critical section at any given point of time. The term was first coined by Dijkstra's. Next question. The process post-order traversal of a tree is DEBFCA. Find out the pre-order traversal. Option C is correct. A, B, that is, the tree will be like this. A with 2 leaves, B and C. B have 2 leaves, that is DE, and C have a leaf, F. The post-order traversal of this tree will be DEBFCA. Then the pre-order traversal will be ABDECF. Next question. The given graph is a dash graph. Option B is correct, regular graph. That is, every node in this graph have equal number of nodes. Regular graph. A graph is called regular graph if degree of each vertex is equal. A graph is called k-regular if degree of each vertex in the graph is k. Next question. URL is short form of option B is correct. Uniform Resource Locator. Next question. For a circuit shown for AB is equal to 0 and AB is equal to 0, 1. AB is equal to 0, 0 and AB is equal to 0, 1. CS values respectively are option A is correct, 0, 0 and 0, 1. That is, if we give 0, 0 here, an AND gate will return as a 0 and an OR gate will also give as a 0. So that's 0, 0. And if we give a 0, 1 here, the AND gate will give as a 0 and the OR gate will give as a 1. That is 0, 1. Next question. Which data communication method is used to transmit the data over a serial communication link? Option C is correct, full duplex. That is, there are three data communication methods, that is simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. If the data transmission is possible only in one direction in the channel, then it is known as simplex. If data transmission is possible in both directions, then it is known as half duplex. If data transmission is possible in all directions at any time, is known as on the same time is known as full duplex. That is, full duplex data transmission means that data can be transmitted in both directions on signal carrier at the same time. Next question. What is the maximum number of edges in an acyclic undirected graph with n vertices? Option A is correct, n minus 1. Next question. If a member needs to have unique value for all objects of that same class, declare the number as option A is correct, global variable outside the class. Next question, given an array ARR is equal to 5, 6, 77, 88, 99 and key is equal to 88, how many iterations are done until the element is found in binary search? Option D is correct, 2. Binary search is an efficient algorithm for finding an item from a sorted list of items. It works by repeatedly dividing in half the portions of the list that could contain the item until you have narrowed down the possible locations just one. Next question. In OSI model, dialog control and token management is responsibilities of option A is right, section layer. The OSI stands for Open System Interconnection, is a 7-layer model used to describe network communication. There are many layers in OSI model. Layer 1, physical layer. Layer 2, data link layer. Layer 3, network layer. Layer 4, transport layer. Layer 5, session layer. Layer 6, presentation layer. And layer 7, application layer. Next question. The worst case runtime of merge sort algorithm is described by the following recurrence relation. T of n is equal to 1 if n equal to 1. T of n is equal to 2t of n by 2 plus n. Otherwise, given recurrence equation evaluates to option A is correct. T raised to k t into n by 2 raised to k plus kn. Next question. What is output of the following C program? Hash include stdio.h using namespace std in the main index is equal to 5, y is equal to 5, z, x is equal to plus x, y is equal to minus y, z is equal to x plus x. Cout z return 0. Option D is correct. 14. What is meaning of the following declaration in the star P of 5? Option B is correct. P is array of pointer to return function. Next question. What is the output of the following C program? Hash include IOStream using namespace std in the main in the ARR is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7 in the star P is equal to ARR plus 1 count the star ARR plus 9 return 0. Option C is correct. 13. What is the output of following C program? Hash include IOStream using namespace std in the main in the const p is equal to 5 star plus p return 0. Option C is correct. That is error. This code block written as a error. What is the output of this C code? Hash include stdio.h void main in the x is equal to 97 char y is equal to x printf %c /n comma y. Option A is correct. A. Next question. How long is an IPv6 address? Is option B is correct. 128-bit. What protocol are used to configure trunking on a switch? Option B is correct. VLAN. Which protocol does ping use? Option C is correct. ICMP. Ping uses ICMP protocol. Next question. Which class of IP address provide a maximum of only 254 host address per network ID? Option C is correct. Class C. Next question. Which of the following syntax is correct for command line argument? Next question. Web crawler is also called as option C is correct. Web spider. That is, a web crawler or web spider is a type of boot that is typically operated by search engines like Google and Bing. Their purpose is to index the content of websites that are across the internet so that those websites can appear in search engines result. Next question. What are the different types of real data type in C? Option C is correct. Float, double, long double. Next question. Value of A in A is equal to B is equal to 5, comma, B plus 5 is option B is correct. Syntax error. This code block written as a syntax error. Which of the following statement is correct? Option B is correct. Derived class pointers cannot point to base class. Next question. A neural network can answer option B, what if question. Next question. What is shallow copy? Option B is right. A shallow copy just copies the value of data as they are. Next question. A shopkeeper was reported to be selling adult mustard oil. Course of action. First one, which he should find and his shop sealed. Second one, he should ask for leave the town and open a shop elsewhere. Options. Option A is right. Only one follows. That is, he should be fined and his shop sealed. Next question. Which of the following cannot be used with the keyword virtual? Option C is correct. Constructor. Next question. Say true or false. Redefining a function in a front class is called function overriding, while redefining a function in a derived class is called overloading. Second one, overloading is a static or compile time binding, and overriding is dynamic or runtime binding. Option B is right option. That is, first statement is true and second one is false. Next question. What is the correct value to return to the operating system upon successful completion of a program? Option C is correct, 0. Next question. Which of the following device translates host name into IP address? Option A is correct, DNS server. The full form of DNS server is domain name server. Next question. The child process completes execution, but the parent keeps executing. Then the child process is known as option B, zombie. Next question. A system program that combines the repeatedly compiled module of a program into a form suitable for execution. Option B is right. Linking loader. That is, a loader which combines the function of a reloading loader with the ability to combine a number of program segments that have been independently compiled into an executable program. Next question. Which of the following address mode facilitate access to an operand whose location is defined reliable to the beginning of data structure in which it appears? Option C is right, index. Next question. The principle of locality of reference justifies the use of option C, cache memory. Next question. Trashing can be avoided if option A is right. The page belongs to the working set of programs are in main memory. Next question. Which is or are the applications of a stack? Option D, all of the above. That is, function call, large number arithmetic, and evaluation of arithmetic expressions are all the applications of a stack. The number of possible ordered trees with 3 nodes A, B, and C is option B is right. Next question. Which of the following is the internal memory of CPU? Option A, CPU registers. Next question. Which of the following device assigns IP address to device connected to a network that use TCP/IP? Option A is correct. DHCP servers. That is, DHCP server is a network server that automatically provides and assigns IP address, default gateways, and other network parameters to client devices. It relies on standard protocol known as Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol or DHCP to respond to broadcast. Next question. The term TSR is abbreviation for option D is right. Terminal stay resident. TSR stands for terminate stay resident. Next question. The process tag does not contains option D is right option. PID of child process. Next question. Which of the following is not true? Option C is right. Kernel is made of various models which cannot be loaded in running operating systems. Next question. When a process communicates with processes in different systems using message-based communication is called, option C is right, remote procedure call. Next question. Banger's algorithm for resource allocation deals with option B is right, deadlock avoidance. Next question. What is difference between declaration and a definition of a variable? Option D is right. A declaration occurs once, but a definition may occur many times. Next question. Collection of personal information and efficiently processing as another individual is known as the crime of, option B is right, identity theft. Next question. Companies use which of the following vendors to provide access to software and services rather than the purchasing the applications and maintenance of the application themselves? Option C is right. Application service providers. When a computer is first turned on or restarted, a special type of absolute loader is executed called, option C is right, bootstrap loader. Next question. Which application will use to make program more portable? Option A is right, Windows API. Next question. Relation bit used by relocation bits used by relocating loader are specified by, option B is right, linker. In computing, a linker or link editor is a computer system program that take one or more object file generated by computer or an assembler and combines them into a single executable file, literal library file or another object file. Next question. Merge sort use, option A is right, divide and conquer strategy. Next question. Which of the following is a valid IP address? Option B is right. 192.168.2.1.1. That is, the maximum length of in any byte is 255. More than that number will not be acceptable. Next question. The operating system manages, option D, all of the above. That is, an operating system manages processors, memories, and disk and I/O devices. Next question. In the many-to-many model, when a thread performs a blocking system call, option B is right, other threads are allowed to run. Next question. If the number of bits in a virtual address of a program is 16 and the page size is 0.5k byte, the number of pages in virtual address space is option D is right, 128. Next question. Dash disk scheduling algorithm causes the disk arm to move back and forth across the disk surface in order to service all required requests in its path. Option C is right. Scan. Next question. Which of the following statements are true? First one. Shortest remaining time. First schedule may cause starvation. Second one, preemptive scheduling may cause starvation. Third one, round robin is better than FCFS in terms of purpose time. Response time. Option D is right. 1, 2, and 3 are right. That is, both 1, 2, and 3 are right options. Next question. A process that calls itself is called option C, recursive. Next question. Which of the following algorithm cannot be designed without recursion? Option D is right. None of this. Next question. Grant and revoke are dash statements. Option A is right. DCL, data control language. Next question. Access time is highest in case of option D is right. Magnetic disk. Next question. In a page memory, the page hit ratio is 0.35. The request to access a page in secondary memory is equal to 100 ns. The time required to access a page in primary memory is 10 ns. The average time required to access a page is option C is right, 68.5 ns. Next question. At a particular time of computation, the value of counting semaphore is 7, then 20p operations and 15v operations were completed on this semaphore. The resulting value of semaphore is option B, 2. Next question. For mutual exclusion to prevails in the system, option A is right. At least one resource must be held in non-shareable mode. Next question. A system has 12 magnetic tap drives and 3 processors. P0, P1, P2 process P0 requires 10 tap drives, P1 requires 4, and P2 requires 9 tap drives. Process P0 is allocated 5 tap drives, P1 is allocated 2, and P2 is allocated 2 tap drives. Which of the following is a safe sequence? Option D is right. P1, P0, P2. Next question. Which of the following is not property of transaction? Option B is right. Or atomicity. Sorry, concurrency. Next question. Data integrity means that option B is right. The data contained in database that is accurate and consistent. Next question. In SQL, the statement select star from R, comma S is equal to option B, that is select star from S cross join select star from R cross join S. Next question. Which of the following is true regarding referential integrity? Option C is right. Every foreign key value must match a primary key value in associated table. Next question. What is possible relation depicting the relationship of an employee and supervisor in relational model? Option C is right. Employee, MID, birthday, salary, name, first name, middle name, last name, supervisor ID. Next question. Which of the following is not a sequence of non-normalized database? Option D is right. Lost update problem. Next question. Select course ID from selection where semester is equal to fall and year is equal to 2009, except select course ID from section where semester is equal to spring and year is equal to 2010. This query displays option D is right. Apples from first part which do not have second part. Next question. Dash will undo all statements. Option B is slide. Flashback. Next question. Which of the following can be a multi-valued attribute? Option A, phone number. A multi-valued attribute of an entity is an attribute that can have more than one value associated with the key of the entity. Key of the entity. Next question. Considering pin code attribute in employee code, name, street, city, state, pin code, employee is in. Option B is right. 2NF and hence also in 1NF. Next question. In an ER model, Y is dominant entity and X is subordinate entity. Which of the following is incorrect? Option B is right. X existence is dependent on Y. Next question. What is minimum time complexity of iterative method used to find the sum of first n natural numbers? Option B is right. O of n. Next question. What is the minimum time complexity of iterative code used to find the smallest and largest element in the linked list? Option B is right. O of n. Next question. When a depth first search of an graph is unique, then option B is right. When the graph is a linked list. Next question. In simple uniform hashing, what is the search complexity? Option D is correct. O of 1. Complexity of hashing is O of 1. What is the time complexity when using linked list is used to perform insertion sort on n element? Option B is right. O of n square. If each element in lower triangle matrix L is a 32-bit signed integer, how much memory would be needed to store all the non-zero elements of matrix L? Option A is right. That is 16 into n square plus n bits. Next question. What is the number of unlabeled symbol directed graph that can be made with one or two vertices. Option B is right. 4. Next question. There is missing in the questions. Next question. To independent as stack using queue with only sequence and with only NQ and DQ operations, how many queues will you need? Option B is right. 2. Next question. A compiler checks the type of reference in the object and not the type of object in. Option A is right. Polymorphism. How do we declare an abstract class? Option A is right. By providing at least one pure virtual method that is function signature followed by //0 in a class. Next question. Which of the following function below can be used to allocate space for array in memory? Option D is right. Both A and B, that is calloc and malloc. Next question. Paint artist wood is to what? Option D is right. Carpenter. Wood carpenter. Next question. Which number does not belong in the series below? 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37, 15, 64. Option C is right. That is 64 not belongs to this series. Next question. Of the following unit, which would be most likely to measure the amount of sugar needed in a recipe for 2 dozen cookies? Option D is right. Cups. Next, next question. Pick the odd one from the following question. Option D is right. ONPMQ. Next question. Given below are the words with different spelling. Select the one which you consider to be correctly spelled. Option B is right. Refrigerator. 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 Next question. A cup is built using A cube is built using 64 cubic blocks of side 1 unit. After it is built, 1 cubic block is removed from every corner of the cube. Resulting surface area of the body in square unit after the removal is option D, that is 96. Next question. Ramesh ranked 13th in the class of 33 students. There are 5 students below Suresh rank-wise. How many students are there between Ramesh and Suresh? Option B is right, 14. Next question. We can do a work in 13 days and Q in 14 days if they work in it together for 4 days. Then the fraction of a work that is left is option D is right, 23/30. Next question. Find the match for missing image. Option A is right. That is one. This image is the next one. Next question. If in a certain language, Sachin is coded as RZBGHM, how is Roger coded in the code? Option D is right. QNFDQ. The salaries A, B, C are in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5 if the increment of 15%, 10%, and 20% are allowed respectively in their salaries. Then what will be the new ratio of their salaries? Option C is right. That is 0.981444444444. Next question. What is the next number in the series 8, 10, 7, 9, 6, 8? Option C is right. 5. Next question. Pointing at a photo, Dinesh said, his father is only son of my mother. The photo belongs to option D, Dinesh's son. Next question. Which number replaces the question mark? Option A is right. That is 9. Replace the question mark. Next question. Given below are two premises with 4 conclusions drawn from them, taken singly or together. Which conclusions are validly drawn? Select correct answer for the code given below. Premise. First one. All bats are mammals. Second. Birds are not bats. Conclusion. Birds are not mammals. B. Bats are not birds. C. All mammals are bats. D. Some mammals are bats. Option B is right. B and D. Conclusion B and D. Next question. Which number replaces the question mark? 5, 7, 3, 5, 8, 2, 9, 6, 4, question mark. Option B is right. 1. 1 replaces the question mark. Next question. A bag contains 6 black and 8 white balls. One ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that the ball drawn is white? Option B is right. 4 by 7. What time should the last watch show? Option B is right. 5:19. Next question. Free notebooks were distributed equally among children of a class. The number of notebooks each children get was 1/9 of the number of the child. Had the number of child been half, each children would have get 16 notebooks. Total, how many notebooks were distributed? Option C is right. 512. Next question. Distribution. Answer the following question based on the following data. The question is, approximately how many people are in the production and transportation sector of the workforce? Option C is right, 21 million. Next question also from the same pie graph and chart graph. The question is, approximately what fraction of workforce in the food service area of the service sector consists of males? Option C is right, 3 by 7. Next question. The question is, in the workforce, the ratio of number of males to the number of females in the same for sales sector as it is for protective service of the service sector. Which of the following is closest to the number of females in the sales sector? Option A is right, 2.9 million. Next question. A train running at a speed of 16 km per hour crosses a pole of in 90 seconds. What is the length of train? That is 16 into 9. The answer is D, 150. Next question. Two trains running in opposite direction crosses a man standing in the platform 27 seconds and 17 seconds respectively, and they cross each other in 23 seconds. The ratio of their speed is, here the length of first train is 27 v1. v1 is the velocity of first train and length of second train is 17 v2. Here v2 is the velocity of second train and they crosses a man standing on platform in 27 seconds. So the length of both train is v1 plus v2 into 23. From this equation, that is 27 v1 plus 17 v2 is equal to v1 plus v2 into 23. We can get the ratio. Next question. A and B together have Rs 1210 if 4 by 15 of A's amount is equal to 2 by 5 of B's amount. How much amount does B have? Option B is right. 4,484. Next question. Choose the alternative which is closely resembles the mirror image of the given combination. ANS 43Q112. Option B is right. That is 2. Next question. What is the probability of drawing two clubs from well shuffled pack of 52 cards? Option B is right, 1 by 70. That is, in each block of 52 cards, there will be 17, 13 clubs. Next question. Look at this series 1.5, 2.3, 3.1, 3.9, etc. What number should come next? Option C is right, 4.7. Next question. 3 unbiased coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at least 2 trails? Option B is right, 0.5. Next question. Look at this series 22, 21, 23, 22, 24, 23. What number should come next? Option C is right, 25. Next question. If x means added to, plus means multiplied by, plus means subtracted from, and minus means divided by, then simplify 24 plus 36 minus 12 into 84 divide 4 into 8 divide 4 is equal to Option B is right, 53. Next question. Fox, cunning, in the same way rabbit is too. Option A is right, courageous. Next question. A diagram below represents a class of children. G is the set of girls and F the set of children who likes fencing. The shading in which diagram represents boys who like fencing. Diagram A, diagram B, diagram C, diagram D. Option A is right, diagram A. Next question. Ice coolness. In the same way, Earth is too. Option D is right, gravitation. Next question. A sum fetched a total simple interest of Rs 4016.25 at the rate of 9 PCPA in 5 years. What is the sum? Option D is right. Rs 8925. Next question. Find the missing from the below given operation. Options. Option D is right. D is right. Next question. The width of rectangular hall is of its length. If the area of the hall is 450 square meter, what is the difference between its length and breadth? Option D is right, 15 meter. A trader mixes 26 kilogram of rice at Rs 20 per kilogram with 13 kilogram of rice of other variety at Rs 36 per kilogram and sells the mixture at Rs 13 per kilogram. His profit percentage is option C is right, 0.05. Next question. There are 28 stations between Ernakulam and Chennai. How many second-class tickets have to be printed so that a passenger can travel from one station to any other stations? Option D is right, 817. Next question. A clock is started at noon by 10 minutes past 5. The hour hand has turned through. Option C is right, 145. In how many ways can a committee consisting of 4 men and 5 women be formed from a group of 7 men and 9 women? Option A is right, 7C4 into 9C5. Next question. If boy is coded as ACNPXZ, what will be the code for life? Option A is right, KMHJEGDF. Next question. Two ships are sailing in the sea on the two sides of a lighthouse. The angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse is observed from the ships at 30 and 14 respectively, 45 respectively. If the lighthouse is 100-meter height, the distance between two ships is the difference from the lighthouse and the second ship is 100 meter also. And the difference between first ship and lighthouse is 100 root 3. The answer is 273 meters. The look at this series 53, 53, 40, 40, 27, 27. What number should come next? Option B is right, 14. Next question, 51 plus 52 plus 53 plus etc. plus 100 is equal to, option D is right, 775. Next question, find the 15th term of an arithmetic progression whose first term is 2 and the common difference is 3. Option C is right, 44. Next question. If a raised to x is equal to b raised to y, then option B is right. Log a by log b is equal to xy by x by y. Next question. Raju, who is facing east, turn 100 degree in the anti-clockwise direction and then 145 degree in the clockwise direction. Which direction is he facing now? Option A is right, southeast. Next question. A monkey started climbing up a tree 20 tall each hour it hopped 3 left and slipped back 25. How much time would it take the monkey to reach the top? Option C is right, 18 hours. Next question and the last question. Introducing a man to her husband, a woman said, his brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. How is the woman related to this man? Option C is right, sister.